Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing. This is came in the mail today. It's from Sugar Muses, which I believe is my Midnight Muses box because it's tiny. I believe their box usually come with their name on it, so maybe she ran out because this is plain. It smells very, very good. So I'm going to see what is going on here. Okay, let me open this up. Let's see. What we have going on. Like I said, this box smells so good. Oopsie. Did I untape it there? Oh, I thought I did. It's very hard to untape this. Oop. Maybe I missed this one. Alright guys, sorry. I can't open this box. It's really very hard. Alright. I tore it to shreds. That's not good. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. I apologize. Okay. I think like I said, I destroyed it. Alright. So, yes, this is the Midnight Muses box. Because when I opened it, I can see that's what it says. Ooh, very excited. Like this, Midnight Muses is one of my favorite boxes. It's by the company Sugar Muses. And this is their smaller box. It's more a little bit on the darker side. And it's called Midnight Muses. So, this month's theme, November 2019, is Celestial Dreams. And this tells you what's in it, so I'll save this for the end. Okay. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this. So, the card is beautiful. I'm going to put this in my book of shadows. Midnight Muses, Celestial Dreams, and it says Amethyst. And you can see the gorgeous artwork, all the magical properties, all that good stuff about amethyst on here. It's just gorgeous what you can do. It is absolutely beautiful. It's very thick, cardboardy, shiny paper, so it's really nice quality. All right. Blank paper, and each month we do get one of these envelopes, and it looks like a wax seal sticker, and usually it's a tarot card. So let's see what tarot deck this is from. Ooh, very pretty. Oh wow, Inner Truths, very gorgeous card. Really pretty. I'm not familiar with this deck, but it is beautiful. And this is the back of the card. Really pretty. Like that a lot. So that's what's in there. Each one is drawn for a different box. Wow. Just try to take that beauty in. Everything in this box is put in gorgeous. It's just, you don't even want to mess with it. Everything's got like a little cute little spot, and so well put together. Alright, so I don't know if this is what I'm smelling, but these incense sticks, oh my goodness. Oh, that's what I smell. You get 1, 2, 3, 8 of these gorgeous smelling incense sticks. Oh, I hate to even like mess it up, but you gotta see what's in the box, right? Okay. So, I'm just gonna move this away here. And the first thing I see, oh, that's pretty big. All right, let me grab this. Beautiful dark purple bag. And I like to show the detail. Everything is tied impeccably. No detailed unturned. Okay. So let's see. You can tell she put so much love and light in her boxes. Let's see. Ooh, wow. So now I got a sticker stuck in my finger. Feels weird. Sorry. It's a cute little amethyst-like wand. Really cute. Wow, I like it. Very cool. So that goes with the card, the crystal. Alright, I don't know what to grab next. So, I'm going to grab this here, which I'm going to assume is a beautiful oil. Because each month you get a perfume oil in the box. And this one is Dream Walker Midnight Muses oil. Dream Walker. Ooh. Oh, wow. I like that. Very pretty. That smells awesome. Okay. And we're going to grab, I suppose, the candle here that I see. It's a big lavender beeswax candle. And I see it has a spell wrapped around it for November, celestial dreams, lucid dreams, and astral projection. Light your candle. Sprinkle some of the lavender by your pillow or place it by your bowl. Relax. So this just it has a spell for the candle as well wrapped around it. So you could add that to your book of shadows when you're ready to do your candle. Okay. I'm going to grab this big thing in the middle because it's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see the beauty in this, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I've never seen a beautiful piece like this. It has the astrological symbols all around it. Really very heavy and big piece. Now, I'm not sure. This could be, it could be for a candle or it could be for incense. So I'll have to read it up on the end, but that is absolutely amazing. Wow. That's what I gotta say. Wow. I'm in love. Okay, there's still a couple more items in here, guys, which, wow. Okay, this is their card for the box, Midnight Muses. Inside. Okay, I don't know where to go first. Alright, let me grab this. Because this is... Oh, okay. I kind of remember what these are. Each month she gives you these as well, which I am collecting a whole awesome amount, which is great. I'll just slide these out. These little potion bottles filled with different stuff. This one is an awesome incense blend. This one is casting salts, and they go with the theme of the month. And this one is the dream blend. So you get 3 of those for your collection. And we have 2 items left. Now this is beautiful black sachet, again tied absolutely beautifully. It's full with roses of light purple. I can see a pretty amethyst in there, lavender, and there's also this here. Oh, Midnight Muses flying balm. Ooh, flying ointment. Which is flying ointment? That, I don't even open it. It's so beautiful. You know what I mean? But I have to, so I can show you. All right, let me see. I'm almost out of mine, so this is perfect that I could use some more. I used to make it with a lot of different ways. Belladonna, really good, but I'm not sure. I do mine like that, but not everybody does that anymore. Okay, let me see. So, besides all that beautiful stuff in there, and the amethyst, you have, oh, this is such a beautiful label on there. I hope you guys can see that. They're witches and they're flying on their broomsticks. Really cute. And obviously it's witching's flying ointment. So let me just give that a little. And you put that on your third eye. And it helps you open your mind. That is awesome. Okay. And then, oh, I'm sorry. There's another, besides what's in this box, I just found another item. We have jasmine, I think it says, jasmine pearl tea. And, yeah, it has the ingredients and all the good stuff in the back. And you got little dried flowers in the box as well. Wow. All right. And then we have this, whatever's in here. Excited to see. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. That is stunning. Holy moly. It is freaking gorgeous. Wow. This is a gorgeous coin with the goddess in the back. I think it says moon, maybe? Moon? Can't see. And in the front, it has all the astrology wheel. I hope you can see the glare. It's horrible glare. That is beautiful. I don't know if you keep it in here or you could open it. Maybe it stays in here for safekeeping. Maybe that's what it does. I'll read up on more because I can't get it out anyway. But that is freaking stunning. I mean, you can't even see the detail, unfortunately, with the camera, but this thing is loaded with detail. It's got the wheel of the year. I need my, it's really small, unfortunately, for me to see with my regular glasses. But I can definitely see the zodiac. I think I see the months as well, I think. The planetary, the zodiac. It's absolutely beautiful. And then the back is absolutely gorgeous as well. Wow. All right. So let me see what the box says. That's the bottom of all this lovely stuff. Learning to utilize lucid dreaming into your practice can greatly enhance your magic as well. Assist in actualization of spell or ritual. Awesome. All right, so it tells you how to create your space. And let's see what they say is in the box. All right, the incense sticks or meditation incense sticks. It says use the incense holder to burn the loose incense blend in the glass vial. You got casting salts, the dream walker ritual oil, the celestial dreams candle. You have the lavender flower blend, the astrology coin in raw, and the astrology coin, which I understand, and the raw cathedral amethyst. I'm sorry, I just wanted to see if It's the goddess Demeter holding the cornucopia, which represents abundance. The zodiac coin on one side and the other side. It doesn't say whether or not it can open, so I will have to email her about that because I'm not sure if you're supposed to open it or if it's supposed to be safely in that box. And the oracle card is from Nature's Whispers deck. And I think we went over everything else, the ointments. So this box is, I love it. Okay, and on the paperwork here, it has the zodiac in the back of the images in the back. You can probably see better on this page. So it's really awesome. I love it. So I'm excited. So we got the tea. We got, oh, this here. This is beautiful. I guess this is the, this is the incense holder. This one, that can't be. This is beautiful. Doesn't say much about this. Tea, flying ointment, not saying much about this beautiful thing here. It says use the incense holder to burn the loose incense blend. But this is absolutely beautiful. I would want to do that. So I don't know. It's gorgeous. This box is amazing. Your oil. Your 3 incense blends. I mean your salts, your potions, your incense blend, your casting salt, and your dream blend. Your candle with your spell. Your amethyst wand. The flying ointment. This beautiful coin in this gorgeous case. And I guess it just stays in there, but I want to touch it. I guess I can't. I love it. I guess I'll ask her. I love this box. I absolutely adore everything in it. It's absolutely stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed this box too. I can't wait to get her bigger box. I get the bigger box as well, the Sugar Muses box. So I'm super stoked on that as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. This is one of, like I said, one of my favorites. Never disappoints. Never disappointing. Until next month, guys. Have a great time.